necessary ingredients. 6 cups of Rice Krispies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All done with that! 4 cups of mini marshmallows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on to the next ingredient. Last but not least, we need 3 tablespoons of butter. But wait! Before we use these ingredients, don't you think we should take a closer look at what we're really eating? We can all notice what these ingredients look like. The Rice Krispies are very light tan in color and are quite porous. They crumble quite easily. Marshmallows are white and fluffy. They are flexible and can be easily squished. Butter is slightly yellow colored and hard, although if you take a little bit of it in your hand, you can squeeze it very easily. But these ingredients are not just ingredients. They are reactants in a very special chemical process. Let's look at these reactants on a deeper, molecular level. We can find the chemical formula for Rice Krispie treats by breaking it apart into different ingredients and finding out about the molecular makeup of each of those ingredients. Rice is made up of 6 carbon molecules, 12 hydrogen molecules, and 6 oxygen molecules. Sugar is 12 carbons, 22 hydrogens, and 11 oxygens. Salt is 1 sodium and 1 chlorine. Malt is 12 carbons, 22 hydrogens, and 11 oxygens. Iron is iron. And ascorbic acid is 6 carbons, 8 hydrogens, and 6 oxygens. It is interesting to note that malt and sugar actually have the same chemical formula. So, Rice Krispies' chemical formula is C6H12O6 plus 2C12H22O11 plus NaCl plus Fe plus C6H8O6. Now, let's find the chemical formula for marshmallows. Corn syrup is made of 6 carbon molecules, 12 hydrogen molecules, and 6 oxygen molecules. Sugar is, again, 12 carbons, 22 hydrogens, and 11 oxygens. Cornstarch is 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, and 6 oxygens. Dextrose is 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, and 6 oxygens. Water is 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Gelatin, while it does not have an exact chemical formula, is estimated to be made up of 102 carbons, 151,059 hydrogens, and 1 nitrogen. Now, I noticed that corn syrup, cornstarch, and dextrose all have the same chemical formula. This is because they are all variations of glucose. So, the chemical formula for marshmallows is 3C6H12O6 plus C12H22O11 plus H2O plus C102H151039N. Now we have to look at butter. Butter is a little more complicated. There is no exact formula for butter. Butter is comprised of butter fats, which is composed of saturated and unsaturated fats, water, H2O, and milk proteins, for which it is impossible to create an accurate chemical formula. Now, let's get back to making these Rice Krispie treats. First, we have to melt the butter. The heat will cause the butter to change from a solid into a liquid. Now the butter's all melted. It's time to add the marshmallows. The heat will do the same thing to the marshmallows. They'll turn into a liquid too. As the marshmallows are melting, we need to mix together the ingredients. Now that this mixture is all melted, it's time to remove it from the heat and add the Rice Krispies. we put this mixture in a buttered glass dish. We have to wait for this to cool. Excuse me. Finally, now it's time to cut this up and eat it. Mmm. I love Rice Krispie treats because they are delicious and have a pleasing texture.